Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have beautiful Wednesday. It's Wish Wednesday. You who follow me, you know about that. You wish for songs here on this channel, leave a comment, and I read everything, and I look up one song there at least and bring up for you. And this time we have you, Nathan, Ahu, and Ginu. Perhaps I butchered your name. I'm sorry, but Nathan, anyway, you wished for this song from Jacob Banks called Numb, okay? So it's a different song, not your typical guitar song, and that's what I liked about this, and it's a nice song. So I thought, why not give it a try? So Jacob Banks, Numb, this is especially for you, Nathan, all right? So let's go with this one. No need for any capo, okay? So we have 6 different chords to handle here. So we'll look at the chords to start with here. So the first one is the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Then we have the A7. So what you do there from A, you just lift off this second G and get that open. Everything else will be the same. So that gives us open A, second D, and now open G, second B, and open E. Next chord will be D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And then we have the D minor. It's very similar to D, but you need to recuperate your fingers a little bit like this. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and now the difference comes in the first E. Not the second, the first. So there you have the D minor. We'll move on here with the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have a bar chord. So there we have the bar chord, the F sharp minor. You place the bar on the second fret over all strings, and then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. F sharp minor. All right, so the 6 chords are A, A7, D, D minor, E, and the F sharp minor. So like 90% of the song goes in the same way. So the chord progression will be A, then A7, then D, and the D minor. The verses and the choruses goes like this. You can choose to play like I just did, just one down per chord, and that is pretty much how I think it should be played. So one down and a big pause in between the chords. So like that. All right. So right there you have perhaps 90% of this song. You can choose to play this with a little more intense playing here, and it's very calm anyway. It will just play 4 straight downs per chord, so no pauses there, just very straight down like this. So the timing of the chord switches will be of course the same. So instead of pauses, you fill out with another 3 down, so like this. Or you go back to standard, just 1 down per chord like this. All right. So that is, like I said, the big part of the song, but we have instrumental breaks in this one. We have one at 1 minute and 49 seconds into the song. So now is time to bring in the E and the F sharp minor chord as well. So you're gonna play like this. That is 1 round. So you play E, then a pause, and then comes F sharp, then back to E, and then D. So E, F, E, D, pause, and again E, F, E, D, pause. 3rd time. And on the 4th time we have E, F sharp, E, and D minor. All right. So 4 rounds in total. You have 3 rounds with the D ending there, and the 4th round you end with the D minor. That's the difference there. 4 rounds, and that's your instrumental break. Then you go back and play 2 rounds of the standard part, A7, then D, and D minor. You play that for a 2nd round in your chosen way, 1 down or 4 downs. And then we have the final outro parts. And now we'll play almost the same as the first instrumental part there. We're gonna play E, F sharp, and D. So it's a bit scaled down there. You don't go back to E again, so you just play E, F sharp, and D, and a longer pause. Then E, F sharp, and D. You play it again for the 3rd time, F sharp, and D, and on the 4th time you end with E, F sharp, and D minor. And that is the last chord of the song, Jacob Banks' Numb. And yeah, I hope you, Nathan, Ahu, and Ginu, I will stay to just Nathan, sorry there, but anyway, great name you have there. This was special for you and for all you Jacob Banks fans. So keep on wishing here on Gordon Guitar. I read everything. I will not bring up everything. I have certain parameters or so and certain thinking of what songs I want to be here on Gordon Guitar. So yeah, that's my choice here. You give it a try, you write comments, and we'll see what's going to be here on this channel. So thank you for your support, guys. I love to interact with you, so keep on with that. And until next time, play tuned.